In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents on screen in a Zoom meeting so your presentation looks clear, professional, and easy for everyone to follow. If you're already in a Zoom call and ready to present a document, the first thing you need to do is locate the Share Screen button. You'll usually find it at the bottom of the meeting window, and it appears as a green button. Go ahead and click on it to open the sharing options. Once you click Share Screen, a panel will appear showing different things you can present. This includes your entire screen, specific applications, and sometimes a Documents tab. If your document is already uploaded inside Zoom, you can simply go to the Documents tab. From there, select the file you want to present and click Share. Your document will instantly appear for everyone in the meeting, which makes the process very quick and convenient. However, in most real situations, your document is not uploaded to Zoom, so here's the easiest and most common method you should use. Before you try to share anything, open your document on your computer. This could be a Microsoft Word file, a PDF, a PowerPoint, or even a document inside your web browser. Make sure the file is fully open, visible, and ready to present. Now, go back to your Zoom meeting and click the Share Screen button again. This time, instead of looking for the Documents tab, focus on the available application windows. You will see a list of all the apps currently open on your computer. Find the window that contains your document, select it, and then click Share. As soon as you do this, Zoom will share only that specific window. This is very useful because your audience will only see the document you are presenting, not your entire screen. It keeps your presentation clean, focused, and free from distractions, like notifications or other open tabs. Now you can start presenting your document. As you scroll, highlight, or point to different sections, your audience will follow along in real time. This makes it much easier to explain your content clearly. Here are a few quick tips to make your presentation even better. First, always keep your document centered and zoomed in enough so it is easy to read. Second, after you start sharing, pause for a few seconds to let everyone see the content clearly before you begin explaining. And third, if you move between sections or pages, briefly tell your audience what you are doing so they don't get confused. Also remember, anything you do inside that shared window, like scrolling, clicking, or highlighting, will be visible to everyone in the meeting. So try to move smoothly and stay focused on what you're presenting. In summary, you have two simple ways to share documents in Zoom. You can either upload and share directly from Zoom or open the file on your computer and share its application window. Both methods work well, but sharing the application window is the most common and flexible option. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.